close friends called me Egat. It's without the M, so it's just EGAT.
Egat. For example, my name is Demi Lydia Landau. You can call me Demi. Okay, Demi is my nickname. Everyone calls me Demi. If someone cannot understand what your name is, you can spell it. Okay. Sometimes kalau kita nggak kedengar apa sih maksudnya. For example, book. Yeah, I want to say book, but you don't know the word book. Okay. Some of the students or some of the native speaker will ask the spelling. Okay. Pasti akan tanya ejaannya kayak gimana sih? They are afraid they catch different word. Okay, mereka menangkap kata-kata yang berbeda. So that's why it's important for you to spell the word or your name. Okay, when you are meet someone. For example, I'm Demi. Okay, I'm Demi. DEMI. Okay, DEMI. Common mistake I-E-U. Spelling itu apa, Miss? Mengeja, okay? You spell your name. I'm pretty sure you know these kinds of lessons because start from the elementary school you have learned, okay? You have learned A, B, C, D, the alphabet. But let me check, okay? Because when I start learning in graduate students, we still ask, okay, about this alphabet because to make sure whether you are understand or not about what someone said. Karena kadang kita misalnya book, ada yang cuma nggak tahu pronunciation-nya book. What is that book? I didn't understand what you mean. Okay. Oh, B-O-O-K. Oh, book. That's not book. Okay, but book. So that's why. Jadi untuk menghindari to avoid misunderstanding, sometimes people will spell the word. Orang-orang akan mengeja, okay, to make someone understand what the word means. But let me check. Karena ini that's quite simple. Ini simple sekali ya. Tetapi ada beberapa yang still confused how to spell this alphabet. Apalagi yang ini A. Sometimes they said I, E, U. Okay, but in English A, I. This is the common mistake. Okay, A, I, U, E. Okay, three of them. These three letters. Huruf ini ya. A, I, E. So let me ask some of the students. Mayada Aziza, could you please spell your name? Just your nickname.
Ya. NIM-nya 2012-1662.
My question is spell your nickname. Nickname itu bukan name ya, nickname. Kalau kita translate ini nama kecil or nama panggilan, nickname. My name is Demi, okay? Demi. Spell. I ask you to spell. Miss minta eja, okay? D A M E in Indonesia. But my question is in English. Spell your name using English, okay? For example, I'm Demi, D-E-M-I, okay? D-E-M-I. Tadi Megat, nickname-nya Egat, E-G-A-T, okay? How about you, Mayada?
M-I-Y-A.
And coba kita tulis di sini ya.
M-I-Y-A. Maya aja, Miss.
Okay, is that quite longer for you? But people call you Maya or Mayada?
Maya.
Maya. So, repeat again. Maya.
M-I-Y-A.
Okay, this is not I, this is not A. In English, it's A, okay?
A.
I, this one. A, I, U, E, this one. E, O. Yang agak bingung nih yang ini ya. Tiga ini. A, I, E. Let me check the others. Thank you, Maya. Arvin, how about you? Spell your nickname.
Arvin.
Okay, good. Rehan,
Yes, Miss.
spell your nickname.
A-H-A-N. Rehan.
Repeat again.
A
E.
H
Kalau Miss denger ini ya. A, H,
Miss.
E,
E H
H,
I
I,
N.
Ehin.
Rehan.
Okay, A. Okay, A this one.
A.
So, N. Nah, dari sini aja Miss spellingnya salah denger ya. Salah denger jadi Ehin. Nah, so that's why it's important for you to know how to spell the word. Okay? Jadi cara mengeja kata-kata itu sangat penting. Karena pernah Miss, I go to the in the other place, for example in Malaysia, I couldn't or difficult for me to catch what the waiter said. Miss nggak dengar maksudnya apa, for sure. For sure, what is that? Ternyata apa? Voucher, oke? Okay? Nah itu, jadi kalau kita nggak dengar, kita minta spell. Could you please spell? V-O, okay? V-O-U-C-H-E-R. Oh, that's what you mean. So that's really important. Ada kata-kata yang kita nggak bisa tangkap karena difference your accent, beda accentnya juga, pronunciations. Okay, that's Ehan, okay? E-H-A-N. Yang ini ya, yang common mistake that you should remember. Yang ini yang bingung. A, this one is A-I-E. Okay, then Fajar, thank you for the informations. Okay, the last one, yeah. I need to check. Afrisa, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, spell your nickname.
Afrisa. A-F-R-I-S-A.
Okay, very good. So Afrisa, yeah. Yes, that's all. So what's the connections with our materials? Okay, apa sih connections or the relations between our materials with the spelling? Because we want to learn listening to audio. Okay, karena kita mau listening. Sometimes some of the students different words in catching the word. Okay, jadi makanya mistake dulu spelling. Let's hear the audio. Ada yang baru join tadi? Coba Mr. Dimas, can you hear me? Dimas Maliandi? Ada yang mau presensi? Dimas Maliandi tadi mau presensi? Yes, give me your student number. No?
Miss,
Okay,
saya juga
give
mau
me your
presensi, Miss.
Yes, give me your student number.
20 12 16 50.
Why are you late?
Nganu, ke sawah dulu, Miss.
Okay, so what time is it? It's
Nganu,
been 20
cek.
minutes. Okay, the others? Are you Fajar? Are you Akbar? Akbar
Yeah.
Ramadan. Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The others? The others? No? Nggak ada lagi yang presensi? Okay then.
Saya Bu.
Go on, hurry up.
18 12 07 89 Bu.
19, 07. Okay, Jihan. Next.
Ya Bu. Kasih Bu.
All right. Next. Finish. Okay, so now the activity is listening to the audio. I will play the audio twice or probably 3 times. Mungkin 2 atau 3 kali ya. This is the article. You need to write what's the audio talk. Ini ya. This verb can help you. This is still related to the passive voice. Okay. Ini kata kerjanya. It will help you whether they need to be or not, or they use verb 2, verb 3 or not. It depends on the audio and then the context. Jadi saat kalian difficult in catching or undecided whether the sentence is passive or active, see the context. Lihat konteksnya ya. Apakah artinya melakukan atau dilakukan. So remember, untuk passive, I repeat it again. I eat dinner, okay? Subject and object. Remember, subject melakukan kegiatan, okay? Saya makan. However, in passive voice, object after that subject. So dinner is eaten, okay? Dimakan. All right. Now listening to the audio. Just be prepared. What do you want to write? Share. Sound. Let's start first.
3.6.
Smash.
Okay, can you hear the audio?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay.
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, let's start.
Clumsy visitor destroys priceless vases by Tom Ball. A clumsy visitor to a British museum has destroyed a set of priceless 300-year-old Chinese vases after slipping on the stairs. The 3 vases, which were produced during the Qing dynasty in the 17th century, had stood on a windowsill at the Fitzwilliam Museum in Cambridge for 40 years. Last Thursday, they were smashed into 1 million pieces. The vases, which had been donated in 1948, were the museum's best-known pieces. The Fitzwilliam decided not to identify the man who had caused the disaster. It was a most unfortunate and regrettable accident, Museum Director Duncan Robinson said, but we are glad that the visitor wasn't seriously injured. The photograph of the accident was taken by another visitor, Steve Baxter. We watched the man fall as if in slow motion. He was flying through the air. The vases exploded as though they'd been hit by a bomb. The man was sitting there, stunned, in the middle of a pile of porcelain when the staff arrived. The museum declined to say what the vases were worth.
Okay, once more,
Tip.
sekali lagi ya, or 3 times, because this is quite faster. The speaker in reading the article, so I will play it twice or 3 times.
Script 3.6.
Smash. Clumsy visitor destroys priceless vases by Tom Ball. A clumsy visitor to a British museum has destroyed a set of priceless 300-year-old Chinese vases after slipping on the stairs. The 3 vases, which were produced during the Qing dynasty in the 17th century, had stood on a windowsill at the Fitzwilliam Museum in Cambridge for 40 years. Last Thursday, they were smashed into 1 million pieces. The vases, which had been donated in 1948, were the museum's best-known pieces. The Fitzwilliam decided not to identify the man who had caused the disaster. It was a most unfortunate and regrettable accident, Museum Director Duncan Robinson said, but we are glad that the visitor wasn't seriously injured. The photograph of the accident was taken by another visitor, Steve Baxter. We watched the man fall as if in slow motion. He was flying through the air. The vases exploded as though they'd been hit by a bomb. The man was sitting there, stunned, in the middle of a pile of porcelain when the staff arrived. The museum declined to say what the vases were worth.
Okay.
Tape script.
Have you got the words? Or do I need to repeat it again?
Sekali lagi boleh, Miss.
All right, once
One more
more.
time.
Okay, once more.
Script 3.6.
Smash! Clumsy visitor destroys priceless vases by Tom Ball. A clumsy visitor to a British museum has destroyed a set of priceless 300-year-old Chinese vases after slipping on the stairs. The 3 vases, which were produced during the Qing dynasty in the 17th century, had stood on a windowsill at the Fitzwilliam Museum in Cambridge for 40 years. Last Thursday, they were smashed into 1 million pieces. The vases, which had been donated in 1948, were the museum's best-known pieces. The Fitzwilliam decided not to identify the man who had caused the disaster. It was a most unfortunate and regrettable accident, Museum Director Duncan Robinson said, but we are glad that the visitor wasn't seriously injured. The photograph of the accident was taken by another visitor, Steve Baxter. We watched the man fall as if in slow motion. He was flying through the air. The vases exploded as though they'd been hit by a bomb. The man was sitting there, stunned, in the middle of a pile of porcelain when the staff arrived. The museum declined to say what the vases were worth.
Okay, so who want to try? Number 1. Number 1.
Miss Angel mau coba, Miss. Gak apa-apa kan kalau
Okay.
salah, Miss?
That's all right. So this activity is intended to check
Which-
your listening skills. Angela, is that you,
Which-
Angela?
Yes. Which were products?
Which were
Were products. Pakai
Produced.
id produk.
produced. Nah, ini kan kalau Miss nggak lihat kata-kata ini, Miss dengerin Angel itu jawabnya kayak gini, bentar ya. Miss tulis di sini aja to help you identify. Okay. Where ya? Where product.
Bukan Miss. Where?
Okay.
Where?
Where?
Where nggak pakai H, Miss.
Without
Yes.
H. So that's why.
Where?
That's really
Product.
important for you in spelling the word and then pronunciations. Jadi sangat-sangat penting ya kalau untuk spelling pengejaan.
Produk.
Juga pronunciation. Cara kamu mengucapkan sesuatu itu ya, karena ini sudah lihat di sini kata-kata di sini. Were, okay, were produced, okay, were,
Ya. Produk.
yes, Yes. Produce.
Produce.
Iya, produce. Kalau product, this one, ini Angela. Okay?
Oh, okay, Miss. Sorry,
Alright.
Miss.
Berarti Miss besok, that's okay. You don't need to say sorry. This is, we are learning. That's the way we are learning pronunciations. Jadi mungkin nanti besok-besok Miss akan kasih kalian audio to make sure what did you catch, apa yang sudah kalian tangkap, apa dengar. Di situ kalian akan mengecek your pronunciations karena dengan mendengar inputnya, jadi you know the word. Okay, produce. Word produce. Is it correct? Word produce? Benar ya?
Yes.
Coba
Yes,
kita
correct.
cek.
Yes.
Ya. Oke. Wait a moment.
Smash.
Okay.
A clumsy
which verb
visitor rolled
produced?
Chinese
Good.
vases after slipping on the
Number
stairs. The 3 vases, which were produced
You
during
want to try number 2?
Saya, Miss.
Saya, Miss.
Okay.
M.
Fajar
Has stood.
has stood. Okay.
Yes.
Has stood. Any other idea? Ada yang lain selain Fajar? No? Ayo, go on. I need to find 2 answer. Miss mau check 2 opinion from you. No? Let's hear. Has stood on
the Qing dynasty in the
windowsill.
17th century
Okay, had stood
had
on
stood on a
atau
windowsill.
has stood on. If you write had, itu Miss juga benerin ya, okay? It's the same, okay? Has stood on or had stood on. Stood on. Remember, kalau di audio mereka digabung ya,
Yes, Miss.
terkadang phrasal verb, okay? This is phrasal verb, turned off, turn on, okay? Stood on. Stood itu dari kata mana, Miss? Stood. Verb 3 dari stood, stand, okay? Stand, stood, stood. Number 3. Who wanna try?
Saya, Miss.
Okay, what's your name?
Ahyar.
Ahyar, your student number Ahyar.
20, 12, 16, 60.
1660. Go on, Ahyar.
They were smashed.
Okay, they were smashed.
Yes.
Okay, let's hear.
at the Fitzwilliam
Okay,
Museum
good.
in
They were
Cambridge for
smashed.
40 years.
Next, number
Last Thursday, they were
4.
smashed into a...
Okay, what's your name? Hashim. Hashim, your student number? Repeat again, 1832. Okay, go on. Had been donated. Okay. Had been donated. Okay.
Million
it's been,
pieces.
okay.
The
Which
vases, which had been donated in...
had been, tetapi dia di sini tidak didengerin ya. Langsung dia bisa which di sini digabungin. Which kayak gini atau which been. Which ada of-nya, bisa have, oke, which been donated. Nah, ini makanya Mister tadi bilang using context, oke. Kalau dia have been, dia nggak mungkin dia donate verb one. Kenapa? Karena itu pasif, oke. Which have been donated, ada ed-nya. Next, number 6. The Fitzwilliam. Anyone want to try? Number 5.
Has decided.
Has decided not to identify. Okay, let's hear. What's your name? Is that you, Megat?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Di sini yang bisa hafal suaranya itu Fajar ya, Megat, Angela, yang sering Mayada.
1948 were the museum's
number
best
5.
known
Number
pieces.
5 belum ya? Were. Di sini sudah ada were-nya, to be. To be-nya were the museum's best known pieces. Next, number 6. Okay, decided.
The Fitzwilliam decided not.
Has decided. Okay, decided. Bukan has decided. Number 7. Wanna try? Number 7. Anyone? Go on. The others. Yang lain. No? We still have less than 2 minutes. I need you to rejoin again because I will not give you the assignment. Hari ini Miss juga nggak akan kasih tugas ya. But rejoin again. Or do you want to choose? Hello?
Rejoin
want
again,
to-
Miss.
Rejoin.
Okay, then I'll give you the. Do you have the recurring? What is that? The recurring link we usually use? Ada nggak di WA ya? Yang apa namanya? Link yang biasa kita gunakan, recurring. To share it again. Langsung kita. Right, as you can see, my last chat, just join in that link, okay? See you there.
Sure.
7. Word. 6. Decided. 7. Who? Oh, number 7 haven't discussed. Anyone want to try number 7?
Number
Okay, please
7
name it.
is Coast.
Housed. What's your name?
Coast. Adam.
Okay, Adam, have you record your name?
Yes, Miss. Tadi manual.
Okay.
Pas Zoom yang pertama.
All right. So has caused. Let's check. Okay then.
To identify the man who had caused the disaster.
Okay. What did you hear?
The Fitzwilliam decided not to identify the man who had caused the disaster.
Who? Ada before the word caused. Did you hear Adam?
Kayaknya kelupaan deh, Miss.
Coba
Kelupaan
repeat
headnya.
again. Yes, had. Yeah. Who had caused? Number 8.
Can I try, Miss?
Yes, please. What's your name?
Dualist Ewan.
Dwi.
Yeah.
Your student number?
1629.
Next. Okay, go on. Dwi.
Wasn't seriously injured.
Okay, wasn't.
Disaster. It was a most unfortunate and regrettable accident, Museum Director Duncan Robinson said, but we are glad that the visitor wasn't seriously injured.
Okay. Wasn't seriously injured. Wasn't injured. Next, number 9. The photograph.
Hi, Miss.
Yes. The boy. What's your name?
Rifki Arifianto.
Rizky.
Rifki.
Rifki, your student number, Rifki.
1657.
1670, 57. The photograph of the accident.
Taken by another visitor.
Okay, taken by. Let me ask you first. Is that passive or active? Rifki, is that passive or active sentence? Ciri-ciri pasif atau aktif? Pasif, ada kata by-nya ya. Terus juga apa lagi? Oke, ada kata by. Terus taken. Kalau taken dia langsung verb 3. Oke. Take, took, taken. Kalau kita pakai konteks nih, if you still the pattern. Kalau ingat polanya, verb 3 nggak ada nih rumus di aktif yang verb 3. Oke. Ada verb 3, tetapi Miss itu harus perfect. Ada have, has, atau had. Nah, di sini nggak ada have atau has. Sedangkan ini in my opinion, kalau ada tadi Rifki bilang pasif, Miss. Oke, rumus pasif itu harus ada apa? The standard pattern. Rumus umumnya dia harus punya apa? To be, oke? Sedangkan di sini belum ada to be. Right? Let's hear. Kita dengar to be-nya apa?
The photograph of the accident was taken by another.
Okay, did you hear, Rifki?
Yes, Miss.
What is that? To be-nya.
Was taken.
Yes, good. Was taken. Jadi kalau kita tahu, oh ini pasif, tetapi kok saya dengarnya nggak ada to be-nya. Here again, okay, was taken. Use the context. Next, number 10.
Miss.
Yes, what? The girl. Mayada, is that you again?
Wajib. What?
Sorry?
Wajib.
Is that you again, Mayada?
Iya, Miss.
Is that you? Okay, Mayada.
Watch.
Okay, watch. Verb 2, ya. Watch. Let's hear.
Visitor Steve Baxter. We watched the man fall as
We watch the man fall. Next.
Me,
11.
Miss.
Okay. Yes, please. What's your name?
Afan,
Afan. Yes, to the number Afan.
1632.
Okay, 1632. He
Flying.
flying. Remember,
Yes.
kalau ada ing, ingat ya, kalau rumusnya, kalau ada ing itu pasti dia ada to be-nya sebelumnya.
Oh,
Remember.
was.
He was flying. Oke, coba kita dengar.
if in slow motion. He was flying through the air.
Oke, he was flying. Jadi kalau ada to be, lihat konteksnya ya. Kalau ada to be, kalau verb ing, dia ada to be-nya. Okay. Next, number 11, the vases. The vases, blah, 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 as though they, blah, blah, blah. Number 12. Go on. Did you catch? Did you hear? Okay, what's your name?
Muhammad Alfi.
Alfie. Alfie, your student number?
1669.
Okay, go on, Alfie.
Exploded, Miss.
Exploded. Okay.
The vases exploded as
Right. Number 13. 13, anyone want to try?
Ya, Miss.
Yes, what's your name?
Ilham.
Ilham, your student number?
18, 12, 07, 13.
Okay. Go on.
Had been hit, Miss.
Had been hit. Okay.
Hit. Yeah.
they'd been hit by a bomb.
Okay, good. They had been hit. Number 14. The man,
Ayo, Miss.
yes, the girl.
Stand.
Same. Okay, let's hear. Oh, what's your name?
Alvina.
Alvina, your student number?
1659.
Here again.
The man was sitting there.
The man? Alvina, can you hear that?
The man was sitting there.
Repeat again. The man?
Was sitting.
Yes, was sitting there. Itu juga ada verb in ya, berarti harus ada to be-nya. The last one.
Saya,
Numbers.
Saya, Miss.
Yes.
Saya, Miss.
The
Saya,
boy.
Miss.
When the staff.
Saya, Miss.
Yes,
Saya,
please.
Arrived, Miss.
Okay, arrived. What's your name?
Muhammad Husnan Aryan.
Okay, Husnan, your student number.
1651, Miss.
Okay, arrived.
Stunned in the middle of a pile of porcelain when the staff
Okay,
arrived.
good. So that's the listening skills. Most of you knows the word ya. Rata-rata sudah ngerti semua ya. But when you cannot hear the audio, use the context. Saat kamu ketinggalan nih audionya kecepatan, lihat konteksnya ya. Kalau this is passive voice, taken tadi, berarti kurang to be yang tadi apa. Terus flying, harusnya ada to be nih, tambahin aja to be-nya apa, oke? So that's the strategy when you hear the audio or reading. See the context. This one, I need to check. Dari kata it ya, still pasif, tabelnya pasif. Kalau it dia pasti is MR eaten, oke? Kalau simple past, langsung saja. Ini tabel yang kemarin, tabel pasif. Sekarang Miss kosongin. Masih ingat nggak kalian kalau Miss kosongin? Hanya butuh to be sama verb 3-nya saja. Tugas kalian ingat nggak to be-nya di simple past, simple future, continuous. Kalau verb 3-nya dari kata eaten ya. Eat, ate, eaten. Oke. What I need you to do is to be. Ya, misalnya ingin cek itu to be-nya, kalian ingat nggak? Kalau di simple past, apa to be-nya?
Was, bukan.
Oke, yes. Good. Was, were. Plus eaten. Oke. Was, were, eaten. How about future?
Will plus be.
Okay, good. Will be. Nah, ini aja kuncinya kalau kalian ingin mengubah passive, active to passive. Okay, you need to remember the to be. How about continuous?
I'm is are being verb 3.
Okay, good. Am is are plus being, yang namanya continuous passive pasti ada ininya ya, apa namanya? Being. How about past continuous?
Was, were.
Oke. Sudah ingat di sini tinggal copy, tambahin being. Next, perfect.
Has been.
Okay, has or have been verb 3. How about this one? Ini banyak ya tadi di artikel tadi menggunakan ini. Had, yes. Past perfect itu had. Been eaten. That's good. Well, that's all. Ini mau cek pronunciation kalian ya. Kalau kalian ngerti ini, that's really good. Kalau paham ini berdasarkan pronunciation kalian, apa yang kalian bukan dengar ya. Kalau kalian tahu pronunciation-nya, Miss bantu baca ya. Kayak ini peace. Lihat konteks, oke? Miss sebenarnya nggak tahu nih awalnya kalau nggak ditulis peace di sini. Tapi Miss lihat di opposite ini. Miss lihat konteks, artinya, oke? Peace, damai, is the opposite, kebalikan dari of war. Nah, ada yang tahu war apa maksudnya itu?
Perang.
Peperangan.
Yes, good. Can you spell it? Spell it, please.
WAR.
Oke. Nah, ini berarti kalian udah paham ya maksudnya. War. Itu pronunciations. Number 2. I'm not allowed. Okay. I'm not allowed.
Allowed.
Okay, give me your name. Spell it. Okay. Give me your name. Megat. Okay, Megat. Spell it.
A-double-A-O-W-E-D.
A
Double
double
L
L
O
O.
W-E-D.
Okay, very good. That's correct. And then after allowed,
Where?
okay, where can you spell it? Where?
W-E-A-R.
W-E-R.
A-R.
Oh, A-R. Is that right?
Yes, Miss.
Oh, what's your name?
Rifki Arifianto.
Oh, Rifki again. 1657.
Yes.
Yes, that's good. Wear, bukan wear ya. Nih, I'm not allowed to wear makeup. Jadi di sini kita nggak tahu nih wear-nya di sini itu di mana, wear, oke. Wear, tapi kita lihat artinya. Oh, masa di mana makeup, tetapi dia menggunakan put on makeup. So, saya tidak diperbolehkan menggunakan makeup. That's good. Use the context, okay? Wear. Number 3. I'd like a pair of blue jeans, please. I like a pair of blue jeans. Ini apa? Can you spell number 3? Pair.
A pair.
Okay, spell it.
P-A-I-R.
P-A.
I-R.
Okay, very good. What's your name?
Megat, Miss.
Oh my God, again. Of blue jeans. This is quite clear, yeah? That's quite clear for you. Blue jeans. Is that the color? Blue.
Yes, the
Jadi,
color blue.
yes. Jadi saya suka a pair of blue jeans. A pair ini bukan sepasang ya. A pair of blue jeans itu jadi dia satu jeans. Tapi kan dia punya dua, apa namanya, bolster. Kenapa dia disebut sepasang? A pair of blue jeans. Karena kan di celana itu ada dua ya kakinya. So that's what we call a pair. Number 4. I wore the same socks for a whole week. I wore the same socks for a whole week. Number 4. The others, coba yang lain kalau mau mencoba. I wore the same socks for a whole week. Ini cara bacanya ya.
Saya bisa coba.
Pronunciation. Yes, please. What's your name?
Raihan.
Raihan. Already ya. Oh, Raihan. Oh, not yet. Give me your student number, Raihan.
1620.
Okay, 1620. Raihan, wore.
W-E-A-R.
E-A-R. This
Yes.
is where. Ini where yang di sini ya. Where. Tetapi di sini wore.
Oh.
What do you think? Wore the same socks.
W-H-O.
Yeah. H-O-R-E. Is that
Gitu,
right?
Miss. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Let's see the meaning. Do you know the meaning of war? War? Jadi lihat konteks ya. Anyone? Yang lain coba. Ini kita belajar menebak ya. Dari pronunciation-nya, terus juga dari konteksnya, dari meaning-nya. Do you know, kalau Miss tulis ini bukan wo ya tulis bacanya. Ada yang tahu cara bacanya?
Or?
Yes, whore. You know whore?
Iya.
Okay. A female prostitute, okay? But this is not the correct one. What I mean is, do you know the verb 2 of wear? Verb 2 dari kata wear tahu? Ini maksudnya dia menggunakan kata verb 2 dari kata wear. Menggunakan. Benar tadi, Rehan, artinya wear itu. Tapi dia menggunakan verb 2. Oke. Wore. Ya. Wore. Dia mengenakan the same socks for a whole. Nah, ada yang tahu whole ini cara spellingnya? Whole week.
Whole.
Ini
Oke, it's W-H-O
WHO.
whole.
Whole.
Whole week. Oke, sepanjang minggu. Oke, whole week. Next, number 5. The last one. I had to wait. Nah, ini agak mudah ya. I had to wait in the rain and I caught the flu. Ini cara bacanya kalau kita bisa lihat phonetic symbol. Ini apa, Miss? Cara bacanya ini phonetic symbol ya, pronunciations, the way we pronounce. Cara kita membaca sesuatu. I had to wait. Aku harus apa itu wait? Anyone can
Wait.
guess?
Wait.
Okay. Wait. In the rain and I caught the flu.
An account.
Ini, spell it. Fajar.
C-A-G.
Yes. G.
Betul. C-A.
This one. Can you see
U.
the screen? C-A-U-G-H-T.
Yes, right.
Caught. Oke. Flu ya. Jadi apa? Ini artinya bukan saya ini kehujanan ya. I had to wait in the rain and I caught the flu. Caught ini bukan menangkap, tapi saya terkena flu.
Terkena flu.
Yes, I caught. Ini the first verbnya ini verb 1-nya dari kata catch. Oke. Catch, caught, caught. Bukan cock, oke? Caught. Ini caught. Well, I think that most of you knows how to hear and then how to pronounce something. Jadi kalau Miss lihat dari latihan ini, kalian udah paham ya the importance of the pronunciations and spelling. And when you listen, apa relatednya? When you speak and listen to the speaker, kalau saling dengar, okay, when you are doing conversation, it's really important to to consider the pronunciations, okay? Cara baca itu sangat-sangat penting. The way we pronounce something, they will judge your speaking ability. Jadi dari cara kita baca itu, dia udah paham cara baca in English. Alright then, is there any questions before I end the meeting? No questions? Ini semuanya udah paham ya rata-rata kalau Miss cek dari latihannya ini. You know how to spell, and then how to guess the word, and use the context. Udah paham untuk menggunakan konteks juga. Is there any questions? If not, I will end the meeting.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes?
Do you have a trick to read the word in the dictionary that the
Okay,
pronunciation?
phonetic symbol.
Yes.
Okay, wait a moment. Anyway, let me give you the examples of the dictionary.
Maybe you can give
Yes.
me tips.
Actually, there is a subject. Okay, ada subjek yang memang learning the phonetic symbol. However, you are not English students. Okay, kalian bukan mata kuliah ya, apa namanya? Program studinya bukan English, jadi tidak ada pelajaran tentang phonetic symbol. Phonetic symbol itu apa, Miss? Yang mempelajari ini, cara baca ini. So, untuk kalian, karena memang tidak ada subjeknya, just try to hear as much words as you can. Jadi intinya cuma sering-sering aja dengerin kata, dengerin audio, sambil melihat bacaan, oke? Sambil melihat bacaan. Karena memang ya ini memang ada subjek khusus untuk mengajari ini. Kayak ini O setengah ya. O setengah itu wo, tapi bukan O benar, war, bukan ya. O. R di sini dibacanya juga sedikit white, thin, agak tipis ya. Wo, bukan war. Ada juga tadi where. Nih where. Kalau E-nya sama, E seperti biasanya dia bacanya where. Ini hanya at glance ya, hanya sekilas aja. Where, oke, where. Ini E-nya sama seperti yang kita punya, where. Tetapi di sini ada E kebalik nih. Nah, inilah dia dibacanya E-nya kecil. Where, E-nya kecil. Oke. Good. Misalnya U tetap U, oke. Ada lagi kata-kata yang lain, coba kita cek. Tadi sudah ya. And allowed. Tadi Megat bisa, ini beda ya. Kalau E-nya seperti ini, E-nya seperti ini, yang ini ya, E yang ini, itu memang dibaca Oke, where. Tapi kalau E-nya kebalik, dia bacanya lembut allowed. Allowed. Oke? Fajar?
Yes, clear enough for me. Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Thank you for the questions. Do you have any questions? Anyway, next week we will have quiz. Yeah. Next week I will review the materials for a few minutes. Misalnya akan mengulang beberapa. Untuk materi kita, we talk about tenses, passive voice, and then what else? Let me check. Okay, we talk about verb phrase, and then we've been talk tenses, passive. Okay, 3 of them. I will give you multiple choice. For example, I use Quizzes, or do you know Quizzes? Pernah pakai aplikasi atau website Quizzes?
Belum.
Pernah
No?
mengunjungi Quizzes?
Oke, mungkin Miss akan pakai Quizzes, atau misalnya you have some difficulties in using that website, I will use Waskita. Seperti last semester, seperti semester sebelumnya ya, Miss pakai Waskita untuk multiple choice. Alright, ya? Any questions? Please make sure, okay? Please make sure you come, all the students come to the class and do the quiz. Karena memang nilai quiz juga besar ya. Jadi please attend the class. 52 students. Okay. Since you have no questions, I'll end the meeting now. See you and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.